Hey, what's up, guys? It's Motoki. My ramen restaurant serves duck ramen. There are not many ramen shops that have duck ramen. We can make a great ramen from rich dashi from ducks. Today we are cooking Chashu duck just as my restaurant. Chashu duck is raised in small farms in Wakayama Prefecture and it has the best quality. Then let's get started. Let's cut the duck first. Breast meat is gonna be Chashu and other parts are gonna be Broth. Guts are got lead up because they bring bad flavors. Duck chashu is cooked with low heat. Depending on the size, the temperature and cooking time change. This time the meat is pretty large, so let's cook it for 90 minutes with 62 degrees. Put everything but the breast part into a hot pot. Part of the duck will be floating and take them out by using a ladle. As for the flavor oil, we are cooking on green onion. Put green onions, garlics, and the duck fat. Ducks and green onions match together really well, and Japanese used to eat them together. When the green onion gets browned, turn fire off and strain it. We are using raw wheat to make the noodles this time, so that the rich taste of the duck is against the strong rye flavor.